Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, we have indicator for extracellular fluid volume. So, extracellular fluid volume can be measured by some non-metabolizable saccharides. So, some saccharides which are not metabolized, like ruffinose, first inulin, sucrose, mannitol, and raffinose. Inulin, sucrose, mannitol, and raffinose are the saccharides which cannot be metabolized. Followed by we can also use radioisotopes of selected ions can be used, like we can use the radioisotopes of sodium chloride, bromide, sulfate, and also thiosulfate. Okay, so sodium chloride, bromide, sulfate, thiosulfate can be used. So these are the radioisotopes which can be used for extracellular volume measurement. Among all this, so we can use non-metabolized disaccharides, non-metabolized saccharides like inulin, sucrose, mannitol, ruffinose, along with radioisotopes of selected ions like sodium, chloride, bromide, sulfate, and thiosulfate can be used. But what among these, what is the most accurate measurement? Most accurate measurement of extracellular fluid volume is inulin.
thank you and thank you for watching.